Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. Yesterday we discussed about the activity 1 and 2. In activity 1 we discussed about the caroling colors part 1's. All the 7 colors of rainbow are caroling to each other's. Everyone say I am the most important rather than you. And all the colors identify one self. Why is the most important? So now today we discuss about the next activity 3. Look carefully at your charts. Was there any colors the rainbow that no one in your class liked? Which color was that? यानी कि आपके अपने पेरेंट्स एग्जाम्पल आपने भाई को पूछा, अपने बहन को, मीन्स व्हेन यू आस्क योर ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स या anyone, if which color they are not like, you write down here. Which color did the most people like and how many people like that color? The color that most people like is the most popular color. So when you ask your fathers, mother, sister, brother, and which color is like most, चारों में से जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा कलर पसंद है, example green, so you write down here green. Okay. Which color did the forest people like and how many people like that color? Color that fewest people like is their least पॉपुलर कलर, यानी कि कौन सा कलर कम पसंद है. सो यू राइट डाउन हियर. इज योर फेवरेट कलर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर कलर्स और लेस पॉपुलर कलर? विच कलर इज लोज, यानी कि इसको ज़्यादा पसंद ही नहीं था. सो यू राइट डाउन हियर. सो स्टार्ट द एक्टिविटी 4. In activity 1 we discuss about the caroling color part 1, and after in activity 4 we discuss about the caroling colors part 2. Means in a part 1 all the colors are caroling to each other. Everyone said I am the most important, sweeter than you, and everyone says his own identity fight. After what happened when they are fighting each other, so what happened? Suddenly there was a thunder and lightning and began to rain heavily. Means when the colors of rainbow, means all the colors, 7 colors are caroling to each other. That's time the thunderings and lightning and began to start the rain heavily, यानी कि बहुत जोर से बारिश गिरने लगी बिजली के साथ. The 7 colors violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red all hear the angry voice of the rain, यानी सब ने rain की आवाज सुनी. After what happened? You stupid foolish colors, why are you fighting among yourselves? What the rain said? They are listening the voice. Oh, you stupid! Why are you fighting among ourselves? Don't you know each of you is important? The lightning stopped and thunder quieted. Suddenly, what the voice? All the color listening. Okay, why are you fighting each other? All your color is most important. यानी कि हर एक का अपना अपना importance है. So why are you fighting among yourself? The rain said, listen to me. Each of you has a special purpose. When I stop the storm, you must all hold hands and help each other. What the rain said? Okay, when I was stopped and you are all the holes and यानी कि एक दूसरे के साथ रहना है and help to each other. You will help each other stretch across the sky to make the rainbow. यानी कि जब आप एक दूसरे के साथ टच होते हो, एक दूसरे को स्ट्रेच करते हो, and you are make the good colors, means in a rainbow. So the rainbow is a special sign, and it shows what is the sign of rainbow. Okay, it shows that if we all the work together and help each other, even with our difference, we will all shine. So what did the rain say to all the colors? कि when we work in together, यानी कि हम मिलजुल कर जो काम करेंगे, and when to help each other, दूसरों को मदद करेंगे, with our differences will all shine, यानी कि हमारी और दूसरों की भी जो मुसीबत है वो दूर हो जाएगी. The color understood their mistake. The storm ended and the colors happily joined. And so after, when the rain said to the good thing to all the colors, they understand about their mistake. And at the end, the colors happily joined the hand. Okay, activity 5. Just as all the colors help to make the rainbow, everyone can help to make a school better place to learn. Look at this picture with a partner or a group. Name all the things you see in these pictures. Think together about some ways the students in the school could help in the classroom. So this is the picture of the classroom. Okay, whatever you do, use the picture to help you write 2 sentences about things you can you do help in your schools. तो आपको यहाँ 2 सेंटेंस लिखना है. यहाँ लिखा होगा फर्स्टली आई अरेंज द टेबल एंड चेयर, यानी कि यहाँ उलट सुलट है तो हमें एक परफेक्ट रो में लिखना है. तो पहले क्या है कि फर्स्टली आई अरेंज द टेबल एंड चेयर. सेकंड एंड देन क्लीन क्लासरूम विद द क्लासरूम, यानी कि पहले हम साफ करेंगे. ऐसे 2 सेंटेंस आपको यहाँ लिखना है. Share your sentence with your classmate. Listen to the ideas of the other classmate. Which 3 ideas from other classmate did you think were the most interesting? Okay, help them with the question. Provide class hymn to the students to read the purpose. Okay. Activity 6. Okay, in a group, talk together about all the ideas for helping that your classmates run the activity above. Choose the 5 ideas that everyone in your group agrees are interesting. So I write down here, okay, my group thinks these 5 ideas are interesting. Number 1, to help other students participate on the project. We all discuss now topic in a group. We learn the listening skill and ask something teacher which does not in your syllabus. Many ideas are interesting, but not all the ideas are easily done. Work with your group to rank the 5 interesting ideas so you don't complete this activity. Okay, because of this activity we complete it in a classroom. So whenever our school open, we complete this activity. Ab activity next, activity 7. Mix the color and describe in the poem. आपको यहाँ 2 कलर लेकर बैठना है. पहला है 1 कि बाय ऑर्डर व्हेन आई पुट येलो पेंट ऑन अ रेड द कलर्स चेंज टू ऑरेंज. क्या कहते हैं कि मैं येलो कलर लिया, मीन्स आपको रेड प्लस येलो दोनों मिक्स करना है एंड आफ्टर मेक द कलर orange. He also said when I put yellow painted on a red, the color changed to the orange. Instead, and mixing the blue and red, I get a pretty shade of violet. तो आपको अपने आप अपने घर पे ये करना है, right? Another trick that I have seen the yellow and blue turn into the green. यानी कि येलो और ब्लू को जब मैंने मिक्स किया तो कौन सा कलर हुआ? ग्रीन. Last one, that is the magic when my color makes it fun to watch them doing the trick. तो आपको ये अपने घर पे एक्टिविटी करना है, बराबर. रेड के साथ किसको मिक्स करना है, मीन्स रेड टू मिक्स येलो मेक द ऑरेंज. फिर ब्लू प्लस रेड इज इक्वल वायलेट. येलो एंड ब्लू मिक्स तो मेक द न्यू कलर द ग्रीन. इन एक्टिविटी 8. It is a very easy to name the color in the poem paints, but some other colors are not so easy name. For example, the make of the Crayola crayons use many shade of the brown. यानी कि ऐसे बहुत सारे कलर्स है जिसका नाम हमें मालूम नहीं है. So now look at the sum of the names. They are brown crayons, means chocolate, dirt, beware, copper, chestnut, raw umber, and the burnt umber. All these names are things that have brown color of the crayon. यानी कि ये सब आपको सिर्फ समझना है. Okay? So a beaver is brown animal that lives near the water and is known for the building dams for trees that is cuts down with his teeth. What the date? A beaver. Beaver is a brown animal that lives near the water. कहाँ रहता है? वाटर के पास. एंड नोन फॉर द बिल्डिंग डैम्स फॉर द ट्रीज दैट इज कट डाउन विथ हिज टीथ. यानी कि यहाँ पिक्चर है, देखो, है ना, एक एनिमल से जो अपने लातों से ये ट्रीज को काटता है. अंडर इज काइंड ऑफ क्ले हाउ डू यू थिंक रो अम्बर एंड बर्न अम्बर माइट बी अ डिफरेंट. यानी कि रो अम्बर एंड बर्न अम्बर में कौन सा डिफरेंट है वो आपको समझना है. सम कलर्स नेम आर नॉट थिंक. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक द डजल रोज पर्पल पिज़्ज़ाज स्क्रीमिंग ग्रीन वर्ड नेम. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ इतना ही लिखना है कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रो अम्बर एंड बर्न अम्बर. सो यू राइट डाउन हियर. सो टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एक्टिविटी activity 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next activity we learn in our next video. I hope you understand very well. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.